Hello guys, welcome to Victor Shamaki, and today I want to show you how to edit using the Ripple Edit tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now basically Ripple Edit is a tool that enables you to cut a clip or trim a clip and close the gap automatically. So we'll be exploring some few of such. Now we have the Ripple Edit, we have the Ripple Delete, and we have the Ripple rolling tools. So we'll be using the three of them in this video. So while you are you use maybe the razor tool to cut off all of this side, and if you right click on this, to clear it, you will see that it's left a gap, right? So if I Ctrl Z and then I right click, if I use the Ripple Delete, you see that it deletes and automatically closes the gap. So what if I do not want to do that? All I need to do is to come to the Ripple Delete we have here, which by pressing Alt and this button, you will be changing this. You can see them. So this is Ripple Edit. So if I want to shorten this clip, all I need to do is to come on it. You will see that this will turn yellow. So if I drag it to this place, you will see that it closed the gaps. So that is how the Ripple Edit works. Even if I do it to this side, it will close the gap as well. So that is how the Ripple Edit works. And the Ripple Delete is when I right click and I use the Ripple Delete, you see that it closed the gap after deleting, unlike clearing, and it does not do that, or manually fixing it. And the last thing I want to show is here, this one is mostly used for audio, though it's used for video as well, is the rolling Ripple tool or the rolling edit tool, or you can press N on the keyboard. You see that it will change to that tool automatically. So you see it has changed to it. Now what this one does is that when you want to either expand this across another clip, whether front or back, you see when I come here, all I need to press Ctrl. If I press Ctrl, you see this turn yellow. So if I drag this clip, you see that if I drag this clip over here, if I drag the clip, you see the clip going forward. You see that I'm going into another clip. Can you see? So if I release, it will adjust by itself. So it increases the length of the clip. So if I want to do that going backward, I'll hold the Control button and then drag it. So I think there's no clip behind. So let me do that for this one. So you see, if I drag it, it can also enter. So you just need to know what both of these tools are. For the rolling edit tool, you need to hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac before you see that this will turn yellow. Then you can move it. See, I can move into this and all of that. Then for the Ripple Edit, you right click and delete using Ripple Delete. And then for the Ripple Edit tool, which we did, you will just drag front to anywhere you want. You look at it, and when you release, it does the same thing. So basically, these are some of the advantages and uses of this tool, as they will save you a whole lot of work. And that's it from me today. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.